Good day everyone, I am Prisma Kaflakindanong. I'm going to report representing logarithmic function through its table of value graphs and equation. For introduction, this module aims to show you how a logarithmic function can be represented in different ways. It will help you represent a logarithmic function through table of value graphs and equation. It also provides tasks and exercise that you will perform for you to be equipped with the necessary competency. So our objective for this report is to represent a logarithmic function through its table of value, graphs, and equation. Before we go to our topic, let's read first the vocabulary list. So first is table of values. Table of values is a list of numbers that are used to substitute one variable such as within an equation of a line and other function to find the value of other variable or missing number. And next one is the graph of a function. Graph of a function is the set of all points in the plane of the form x and f of x. So last one is the equation. Equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions. So for the first example, the first example is all about the b is greater than 1. So for the first example, is to represent f of x is equal to log x base 4 through tables of value graphs and equation. So to construct the table of values, assign first the values of x, substitute this x value to the function of f of x equals log 4x, then find f of x. So ang gagawin lang natin is magsasubstitute lang tayo ng value of x doon sa f of x is equal to log x base 4. Yan lang gagawin natin. Nakikita nyo na ang mga value ng x natin is given na. So, ang hanapin na lang natin is yung f of x ng 1/4, 1, and 4. So, paano ko siya nakuha? So, ang ginawa ko is, nag-substitute lang ako. Then, you can use your calculator or apply the laws of logarithm to find f of x. Yan. So, ang ginawa ko is, f of x is equal to log 4. Log x base 4. So, dun sa f of x, nag-substitute ko lang yung mga value niyan para makuha. So, first example is f of x is equal to log x base 4. So, f of x is equal to log 1/4 base 4. Then, f of x is equal to log 4 raised to negative 1 base 4. Kasi, kung matatandaan nyo, both ng numerator and denominator is my imaginary exponent na 1. So, kang reverse ko siya, naging negative 1 yung exponent. Then, naging 4 siya. So, yan, magka-cancellation lang tayo sa log 4 base 4. So, ang nakuha ko is negative 1. So, the next one is f of x is equal to log 4 log x base 4. So, the f of x is equal to log 1 base 4. So, the answer is 0. Then, sa sunod is same rin. Parehas rin siya. Magsasubstitute lang tayo na magsasubstitute para makuha yung value. So, ang f of x ng 1/4 is negative 1. F of x of 1 is 0. And f of x of 4 is 1. So, ito yung sinasabi kong table of values. So, the function of f of x is equal to log x base 4 can be represented by the table of values as shown below. So, x is given na. So, f of x yung hinanap natin kanina. So, yan na nga. So, 1/16 is equal to negative 2, 1/4 is equal to negative 1, 1/2 is equal to negative 1/2, 1 is equal to 0, and 4 is equal to 1, and 16 is equal to 2. So, if they pa nindo masyadong kaya so, like, nasasakit na baka mo, may link akong nilagay sa baba para if mayo ka mong scientific, if wala kayong scientific calculator, or kung wala kayong log sa calculator nyo, kasi minsan ang ibang calculator ay walang log na nakalagay. So for the graphing, Yan, yung mga orange dot, yan yung mga plot. So, negative 2, tapos, yung 1/16, yung 1/4 is equal to 1/2, 1/2 is equal to negative 1/2, 1 is equal to 0, and 4 is equal to 1. Yan. So, note orange dot is equal to plot, x-axis is equal to f of x, and y-axis is equal to x. So, for the equation, the function can be also be represented as y is equal to log x base 4. So, final answer is, therefore, the following tables of value graphs and equation represented the logarithmic function of f of x is equal to log x base 4. So, yan na yung table, yung graph, saka yung equation na ginamit. So, for observation, the function is defined only for x greater than 0 is strictly increasing. Also, the function decrease without bounds as x approach 0 from the right. So, for the example number 2, it's all about b is greater than 0 but less than 1. So, the example number 2 is to represent f of x is equal to log x base 1/4. So, through table of values, graph, and equation. So, to construct the table of values, same as the example number 1 is assign first the value of x, substitute these x values to the function f of x is equal to log x base 1/4. Then find the f of x. Same lang dun sa example number 1, which is magsasubstitute pa rin tayo ng mga value ng x. So, this is the table of values. Given ang x natin, which is dun yung mga nasa taas is 1/16, 1/4, 1/2, 1/4, and 16. And f of x, ang may given lang na f of x is 1/16, 1/2, and 16, which is negative 2. Yan. So, ang una nating hanapin is yung 1/4. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung formula, which is f of x is equal to log x base 1/4. So, ayan, sinubstitute ko lang yung x ng 1/4. Yan. So, ang kinalabasan niya is 1. So, next one, hanapin natin is yung 1. So, f of x is equal to log 1 base 1/4. So, ang kinalabasan niya is 0. Then, doon naman tayo, hanapin naman natin yung 4. So, f of x is equal to log 4 base 1/4. So, ang kinalabasan niya is f of x is equal to negative 1. So, ito na yung table of values. The function f of x is equal to log x base 1/4 can be represented by the table of values as shown below. So, ayan na. Yung x natin and f of x is nakompleto na. Yan, may mga value na siya. So, pumunta naman tayo sa graph. So, dito, same lang doon sa nauna. Para sa yung procedure, ipa-plot mo. Take note, in constructing the Cartesian coordinate plane, the calibration of the axis should be wide to clearly illustrate its graph. So, yan. Nakikita nyo yan, mga orange dot. Yan yung mga plot, yung mga point. Tapos, dapat smooth yung pagka trace mo dun sa mga ano. So for the equation, the function can also be represented as y is equal to log x base 1/4. Same rin dun sa nauna. Yan. So the final answer, therefore the following table of value graphs and equation represent the logarithmic function f of x is equal to log x base 1/4. So, ayan na yung table and graph and yung ginamit na equation nandun sa taas. Yan. So, for the observation, the function is defined only for x is greater than 0. It is strictly decreasing. Also, the function increase without bound as x approaches 0 from the right. Hi guys, thank you for listening for my reporting. Again, my reporting is all about representing logarithmic function through its table of values, graph, and equation. May dalawa tayong example. Again, it's b is greater than 1, and the other one is B is less than 0 and greater than 1. So, thank you guys for listening and have a nice day.